Hi guys, welcome to Cortex How To. Today I'll show you guys how to replace your indicators on the T-Roc or T-cross for some dynamic indicators. I just bought a set on AliExpress this time just to check how the quality is, how the fitment is and how to replace it. I'll show you guys today. As you guys can see, the two dynamic indicators 1 and 2, and also the guys provided me with a plastic lever and a torque screwdriver just to undo and do the indicators. So I'll let you show how to mount them. So the first thing you have to do is tilt the mirror and push the plastic lever between the mirror and the mirror cap, and then you can pull out the mirror. So the first thing you have to do before getting off the mirror cap is that screw and that screw, take them both out because otherwise you can't remove the mirror cap. The next step are these two plastic lips. You need to pull them back to get off the mirror cover. So I did it a little bit quick. The indicator light is fixed on the clip over there and over there, so you need to click them off. So let's see the difference. This is the new one and the normal original one, which is just flashing instead of the matrix LED. And the end result, the right and the left.